Where is it? Ooh, here we go. We had some rain overnight. 1 inch and 9/10, almost 2 inches. Oh, what do you see? I wasn't watching. What do you see? I wasn't watching. He's out here trying to find those squirrels. I gotta run. I gotta run. Ground's really soggy. Our vegetables should be popping up now. Finally got some rain. We was in a drought for a while. What do you see? I see birds, that's all I see. A lot of birds. Trying to find worms. So we had some rain. So we got a little pond out there now. I was told this morning this little ditch here was running with water. It's not now though. I'm so happy we got rain. Save on the water bill. Got some good natural water instead of chlorinated city water. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Good boy. That pool is really full of water. Another night or two of this and rain and it'd be over full. Come on, girl. Hold on, Barkley. Lucy. No, Lucy. No. 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 Come on. Tell me you're going to use the bathroom. Silly me. Yeah, that rain would be good for everything. Wish we get more of it. The streets are kind of drying out now. It was raining all night long. Slept late today too, makes you feel good. Let's go. Come on, Barkley. These things are not whining in right there. You got to tame them up. Here you go. Don't walk behind me. Oh, Barkley, you're all... Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, now your front one. There you go. Let's go in the house. Let's go in the house.